Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janani. Today I'm going to show you how to do this easy and wearable makeup look for your Valentine's Day. If you want to know how I did this look, then continue watching this video. Before that, kindly click the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Clean and fresh skin is very important to achieve beautiful makeup look. Today I have used Dermatecture Lactic Acid Gel Cleanser to cleanse my skin. Then I am using Earth Rhythms Green Tea Toner. I am spritzing it well and applying Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel on my damp skin and massaging it well. For lips, I'm using Baskin Nature Beetroot Lip Balm. This has become my current favorite lip balm, which has a very slight tint. To start off with makeup, I'm using Faces Ultime Primerizer. I'm applying it only a tiny amount of this primer, mainly concentrating on the center part and high points of my face. Then I'm using Pacte Cover Concealer to color correct my dark spots and hyperpigmentation. I'm first blending it with my fingers to achieve maximum pigmentation from the corrector and then running the blender to remove off the excess. Now I'm using K-Beauty Loose Powder to set the color corrected area slightly. Don't use too much powder in this step guys, or else your makeup look will turn cakey, so be careful. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 330. I'm dotting it all over my face and blending it well with the Y shade Tear Cut Precise Black Beauty Blender. If you haven't watched my review of this beautiful beauty blender, don't miss it guys. Go ahead and watch my previous video. Also, I'll provide you the video link in the description box below, so kindly check it out. To highlight my face, I am using Sugar Cosmetics Magic Wand Concealer and applying it under my eyes, bridge of my nose, center of the forehead, cupid's bow and chin, and I am blending it well with the same beauty blender. Then I'm using Lakme Primer Plus Matte Foundation to slightly contour my face. I'm applying it on the sides of my cheeks, jawline and sides of my nose and blending it well with the same beauty blender. Then I am setting my base makeup with the same loose powder except on places wherever I have contoured my face. I will provide all the product details that I have used for this makeup look in the description box below, so kindly check it out. Now I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Mini Bronzer to set the contour areas and add some dimension to my face. Today I'm liking my base a lot, guys. What do you think of my makeup base today? Let me know by commenting below. Then I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Mini Blush and I'm applying it on the apples of my cheeks and tad bit on the center of my nose. Today I'm applying my blush slightly higher so that you can see my face has lifted and gives a fresh look. Then I'm using Sugar Cosmetics Arc Arrival Brow Definer to fill my eyebrows. I'm filling in the direction of my eyebrow hair to get a natural looking brows. For today's eye look, I'm using Makeup Revolution Tammi X Topical Paradise palette. First, I'm picking this beautiful pink matte shade and blending it well on my entire lid, mainly deepening the color on the outer V of my eye with a fluffy blending brush. Then I'm picking the light pink shimmer shade with my finger and applying it on the inner half of my eyelids well. Now I'm applying the same matte pink shade on the lower lash line with a shader brush. Then I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eye with a light golden shade from the same palette. Now I'm using Faces Magneteyes Kajal to tightline my lower and upper waterline. Then I'm using Lakme Absolute Shine Liner and I'm drawing a thin winged eyeliner. Next, I'm curling my lashes with Vega Eyelash Curler. Then I'm using Faces Magneteyes Mascara and I'm applying it well on my upper and lower eyelashes. I love the way it enhances my lashes and provides a slight volume which looks natural as well. Then I'm applying Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter on my cheekbone, bridge of my nose and brow bone. I love this highlighter a lot. For lips, I'm using K Beauty Lip Liner to line my lips. A brown lip liner is essential to achieve a nude lip for dusky skin. So all my dusky skin beauties, do stock up your brown lip liner to achieve a beautiful nude lips. Then I'm applying Faces Ultime Pro Lip Crayon only on the center of my lips, and I'm dabbing it with my fingers gently to achieve a gradient beautiful nude lip. I'm building the color and I'm blending it well until I'm satisfied. That's it guys, hope you like this easy pink makeup look. If you do so, smash the thumbs up button, comment down below whether you like this look or not and share it. Also you can follow me on my Instagram page for more skincare, haircare and makeup content. Until next time, bye!